Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 8th of April 2024. The day is Monday. This is the first trading day of the week. Let me introduce myself in a quick time. Like I said, that my name is Rakesh, and I'm your host here. I'm a Dukas Copy's trading community member, and you cannot confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank because I'm not their employee. I'm an independent trader and analyst. So whatever I'm going to tell you here in this webinar, they are my own opinions and trading ideas. They don't have anything to do with the Dukas Copy research team. Now, as a technical analyst, I have an information or I have knowledge that every piece of information is already priced in the chart. So I'll not talk about anything that is coming in the news, and I'll stick to my charts for my analysis purpose. In this program, we'll be using the candlestick type of charts, and in a very quick time, I will show you the key levels for all the instruments that we are going to see. We are basically going to see the major currency pairs, and thereafter we will also have a look at the Brent crude, Bitcoin, and some other pairs also. Now, if you are new to the technical analysis, I would request you to go to the channel's homepage, select the playlist section and search for the profitable candlestick patterns and also the profitable chart patterns playlist. These are the two playlists that I have created. If you go through them, it will really help you to understand what I am talking about in this program. At the end of the session, I will be also taking the questions from the viewers. So please ask questions so that you have no doubts while you go home. Before I start this session, I must also inform you that this is only for information and knowledge. Please do not take trade based on these analysis. You can observe these ideas. If they work for you, you can use them, but you cannot claim any reason for your losses or your profits from this video. Do your own research before you put your money on the line, what I mean to say. Before we begin, let me take you through the risk disclaimer first. Please understand the risk that is associated with trading the currencies and then only go to the charts. Okay, the first thing, that is the US dollar index. I must show you this every day, and you should also keep it on your charting platform. Till here the price was making lower highs and lower lows. Thereafter it started making higher highs and higher lows, but unfortunately here it has made a lower low. Then we became cautious and we were looking for the selling opportunity. We switched to the 4 hours, we got that opportunity. Okay, there is a sell. How we came to know that this is a sell now? This is a 4-hourly time frame. 4-hourly time frame, this rising channel has been broken to the downside, and now the low of this channel can be seen as an opportunity to go short. I mean, the sell stop order can be here. There is a huge volume on the 4-hour selling candle. Okay, now the target of 103.68 is on the downside, is the first target that you will witness. The second target is this low. This is around 102.80 that you can have on the 4-hour basis, and if you go on the daily time frame basis, then you will have the next target around same 102.80 only. Okay, so we can say that we have a bearish bias now. If there is a bearish bias in the US dollar, there can be possibly a bullish bias in the pound, and that is exactly what is happening right now. After reverting from here, we have seen a high here, which is a higher high. Then we took a low here, and now we are looking for the next target. So the next target can be this high here, and also this high here. And after this 1.2683 is taken out, we can target this high here, which is very close to 1.2803 area. All right, so in the euro also the bias is bullish now. So on the similar lines, 1.0791 is now support, and the first level of resistance is this recent high that the price has made. After this, the 1.0942 area will be exposed in the euro. So the bias is bullish in this one, but we will have to break above this falling channel to be bullish in this one. And also there is a confluence of resistance which you have to be careful about. These things you can remove from your charts now. Okay, now this is important here. All right, Australian dollar, we are bullish on this one also. On the similar lines, now this can be seen as a support, and this particular one can be seen as a resistance. This is the recent resistance. Above this 0.6619, you can have a target of 0.6635 in the coming days. After that, you can have a target of 0.6668 on the upside. Okay, the bias is bullish in this one also. In the New Zealand CAD also, the similar is the case. You can bring it now here, and resistance upside is same. Okay, so this becomes your first target, also the resistance. After clearing this resistance, 0.6107 is the next target. Very clean chart, nothing to worry about. USD CHF is a bit nasty here. You go to the daily time frame and you see that this is also going up because of the Swiss franc being very weak. Now 0.900 area, this is this 0.8997 area being your stop loss, I think, or you can say support here, not exactly this, but 0.8996 area being the support on the downside, and the first target being 0.9113, above which you can have a potential target of 0.9245 on the upside. If the price falls below 0.8996, then we will be bearish in this one, and this will be a considerable head and shoulder pattern on the 4-hour. Okay, this is a potential head and shoulder pattern if the price starts falling from here and breaks 0.8996. USD CAD has broken higher than the previous resistance of 1.3620. So the price will be expanding on the upside after taking, I think, support from this channel's support area, or you can move it to this area now. All right. On the upside, the resistance is around 1.3777 area. Talking about the USD JPY, it is being very difficult for the price to break higher than 151.97. In fact, today the price has made an intraday high of 151.94, but has failed to go beyond that. So it is still at resistance, although there are no signs of sell-off here. The resistance is 151.97. This ceiling once breaks will become, I think, a support here. And on the downside, we have a support at 150.26 in this market. New Zealand CAD, a breach of the lower high indicates a potential reversal. The reversal happens today. If we close higher, then this will start acting as a support. 0.8181 I'm talking about. The next level of resistance is somewhere here. I think we should just switch all these candles from white to red. What do you say? Yes. All right. Yes, so these are the important levels, so please keep them in your mind. Also, you can have level here because this was a recent resistance that the price has surpassed. So if the candle closes higher, then this will start acting as a new support now. So something like this may happen. Okay, so keep an eye on this one. 0.8189. Now the Bitcoin tried to go lower, took support at 64,554, has seen a higher high today, at least from this, but the price on in a bigger horizon is still consolidating. Above 73,833 only can we say that yes, the buying has emerged. Otherwise, the volumes are very low. The price is going up, but not very convincingly. See, it could not retain even the profits at the higher levels. So expect some sell-off, I think, in the near future. But right now, I'm not buying, not selling this market. There is no clarity. If you really want to sell short the Bitcoin, you have to have a confirmation. The confirmation will come only when the price falls from this rising channel, I think. All right. So till the time it doesn't happen, you cannot sell this market. Until the time the price is below 73,833, you cannot be buying this market also, because this is a very crucial resistance that the price is about to reach. What about the Brent? Brent has a long day today. Actually, it went all the way low towards 88 levels. I'll show you on the lower time frames of the 4 hours. You see the price went here higher at 91, then it went low at around 89. Now it's consolidating in that range. let's go to daily again. So you see the price was trading very nicely above these levels, but today I think some news has come, so it has sold off with very high volumes, although it failed to go below the low of Friday's candle, which is around 88.75. Today the price has made a low of 88.81, so that means there are buyers at the lower levels. Now I coming to 1 hour, you see at these price levels there are buyers, there are enough to push the prices higher. So if they are able to push the prices even further, then the targets of 95 and 97 will be exposed. 93, 95 will be exposed in this market. As of now, I think 90.42 should act as a resistance again. What about the gold? Gold is not stopping, So next target is 25.17. Friday there was a very good, very nice clean close at the highs of the day. The high was 2331, the close was 2331.005. So it closed at the high of the day. Selling this market, not a good idea. I think if you don't want to blow your account, don't sell this market. Okay. Japanese index, very nice market move, although there was a range today, but still this is a nice consolidation, I think, before the next leg up. But in this process, if it breaks below 38,278, then we will start selling this market. Okay, otherwise we may be looking for the buying opportunities above this falling channel. Euro JPY, very nice up move, but failed to go higher than the Thursday's high, so I will say this is also consolidating. We need a break higher than 165.34 for us to become long again in this market. GBPOD finally again coming down. I have a target of 1.8590 in this market. So let's see how the things unfold in this one also. Last is CHF JPY and AUD New Zealand and Euro CHF. AUD New Zealand is different thing, but CHF JPY we are bearish on this one, maybe because of the weak Japanese yen. It is not giving us weight now, but in a day or two, or maybe next week, you will see the price going below 166.56 and maybe even below 165.61 to the targets of 162 and 159.94 in this market for us. AUD New Zealand very nicely going up. Resistance is this falling trend line, which is on the monthly. Nothing much on this one. Okay, closing above, you can see 1.0950 as the support if it closes higher, but it has failed to close higher, so I cannot talk about this much. Yes, if it fails constantly to close higher than this one, then the price can revert to 1.0844, which we are expecting it before a breakout higher. Euro CHF, last euro, like I said, that is very strong. Swiss franc being very weak in the coming days, so it can keep rising, and a close above 0.9842 will open up the way for 0.0042 in this market. That's all, guys, from my side. If you have any questions, you can ask me right now. All right, like I expected, no questions. Please feel free to ask me any questions in my Skype handle if you want to. And I hope now you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember, only risk less than 1% of your capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. Now with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow at 1700 GMT. Bye bye.